Do you need to replace the LCD display assembly on your Dell Vostro 5620? Well, I'm going to show you how. Also, you can click the link on the top right of the screen to find this part or tools or additional help on our website, including step-by-step written tutorials with detailed images. And now let's get into it. First, unscrew and remove the 7 2mm by 4mm screws. Then loosen the 2 captive screws. Remember, these 2 only loosen and cannot be removed. Then pry apart and remove the bottom base. Now disconnect the battery cable. Now peel back the adhesive covering the LCD cable connector. Then unclip the locking tab and disconnect the LCD cable. Now unscrew and lift the right LCD hinge. Then unscrew and lift the left LCD hinge. Next, separate the palm rest from the LCD assembly. The reassembly of your laptop is as simple as following your steps in reverse. If you still need help, you can visit partspeople.com and view printable DIY instructions to help you along the way. We also have playlists of thousands of Dell tutorials for hundreds of different models, so keep checking back. Thanks for watching.